Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the latest updates about grass airdrop, and also we are going to be talking about SoSoValue airdrop, because just a couple of hours ago their DEX actually went live, and there's a lot of updates about this because some people are getting scammed because of these DEX that just went live. All right, so I'll be explaining everything you need to know about the SoSoValue DEX that just went live. But first of all, let's start with the grass airdrop. Let's talk about their latest updates when we are going to be getting our airdrop and some of the important information as regards the grass airdrop. Okay, so before we start the video properly, remember, as usual, we still give out Tonecoin to our video viewers. So if you're watching a video right now from any part of the world, you still are and you want to earn free Tonecoin, simply go below the video you are watching right now. You are going to be seeing this subscription button down there. Click on it to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on this bell icon that will be appearing. Select all so that whenever we post new video, you will be the first to know about it. Also, go ahead to give this video a thumbs up like this. Make sure to share the video to your family and friends anywhere. Then finally, you go ahead to drop a very nice and interesting comment right there on the comment section. With that one done, you are now in the position of being chosen as the Tonecoin winner. Okay, so right now guys, let's start with the grass latest update. So over here on the grass latest update on their Twitter, you can see they made a post right here on the 24th of October, and the post actually contains a lot of important information that will help us understand if we should be expecting any more if we should be expecting a drop from now, or we should still forget about the airdrop season 2 and keep on gathering points. So over here on their tweet, they said, and I read, the first grass token holder and network participation call will take place in December 2025. The call will provide an overview of grass network progress, ecosystem adoption, commercial integration, and other developments, including grass ongoing work to build an open internet infrastructure. So basically what they are saying right here is that they are going to be having, a kind of participant call on December 2025. And if you watch closely on this first paragraph, they didn't mention anything about airdrop, which made me to believe that currently they are focusing on building their ecosystem and building the open internet infrastructure. So they went ahead to write on the second paragraph right here, to promote equal access to information, the call will be open to the public. Question may be submitted in advance for consideration during the season. Further details include dates and registration information will be shared soon. So basically right here, they are trying to let us know that there will be a phase where users are going to be given the opportunity to submit their questions, and those questions that they are going to be submitting is going to be reviewed ahead of the planned participant call, which is going to be taking place on December 2025. So also this made me believe that then we are going to be having the information about when to expect our airdrop. All right, so if you look over here right now, you can see that they are not saying anything about airdrop, which basically means that they are not rushing anything. So if you are among the persons who are farming the grass airdrop season 2, I think the best thing for you to do right now is to hold on and keep on farming points. The season 2 airdrop is not coming anytime soon, because for a while right now the grass airdrop the grass right here on the Twitter, they are not responding to any questions from the community. So over here you can see a lot of people are asking questions, but those questions are being ignored by grass. They are not giving any updates as regards the airdrop at all. So currently they are focusing on the on building the open internet infrastructure, building some other stuff. So they are not considering the season 2 airdrop. So currently we are on the airport 12, and if you look closely, they have done a lot of things, a lot of updates, which I spoke about on the previous video, where we basically have the network point and some other points which include our referral bonus points and other stuff like that. So I believe by now you have started earning your network points. So if you haven't yet started earning network points, make sure that you are providing enough internet, a strong internet, and providing enough bandwidth that will allow them to put you into account and reward you with the network point. All right, so there's no doubt this network point is going to be playing a huge role on determining your season 2 airdrop allocation. So currently there is no tangible information from the grass team as regards the season 2 airdrop. They are currently focusing on the on building their system, building their platform, and getting to expand their company. All right, so right now basically this is all you need to know about the grass airdrop as regards their airdrop. I know a lot of you out there are waiting for their airdrop, but this is just it. We are going to be getting the airdrop maybe anytime as from 2026, but nevertheless nobody really knows, because they could decide to consider the airdrop first, but they have done their first airdrop, so they are not rushing this second drop at all. All right, so let's talk about the SoSoValue mainnet, which just went live just a couple of hours ago. So over here on Twitter, let me show you what they said right here on Twitter. So over here on Twitter, or X, as whichever way you want to call it, so 9 hours ago they made the announcement saying that it's official. SoDex official mainnet is live, built on layer 1 value chain, delivering DEX freedom, centralized exchange speed at full transparency, SoSo token upgrade to native gas and governance. The new era of on-chain trading start now at SoDex. So due to this, a lot of people thought that the season 2 airdrop claim have begun because of the fact that they just went live on their mainnet. So a lot of people have been coming to my DM asking questions about this, and I believe some people out there may have probably gotten scammed because of this, because if you hear the fact, or anybody that sees this tweet that they made right here saying that their SoDex has gone to mainnet, the person may likely think that the airdrop claim is also live, and the person will likely be looking around for links to where to claim the airdrop. And currently this is not the time for the season 2 airdrop, because the SoDex which just went live is totally different from the season 2 airdrop. All right, so coming over here to the SoSoValue main platform, you can see this is it. This is the SoDex. All right, so what is SoDex? SoDex is basically a trading exchange, all right, decentralized trading exchange owned by SoSoValue, where you can basically get to trade cryptocurrency effortlessly. Okay, so that is basically what the SoDex is all about. They have been on testnet for a couple of months now, and currently they are on their mainnet. Over here you can trade by just getting to connect your wallet, and of course you trade straight. All right, so there have been a lot of dexes. We have the MetaMask DEX, the Asta DEX, a lot of them out there. So if you have been hearing any rumor about any airdrop from SoSoValue, I need you to know that the airdrop is not yet live. Whatever you are seeing out there as a link to where you are going to be claiming your airdrop, I strongly recommend you to disregard it, because the season 2 airdrop is not yet live, and we are actually expecting it around 2026. Okay, so what you need to do right now is very simple. Just go ahead and keep on accumulating points. Okay, so keep on accumulating points right here every day. Make sure you complete all these daily tasks. So if you are just starting, come over here to starter pack, and you are going to be seeing a lot of tasks that are going to be rewarding you very massively. All right, so this is the latest update right now concerning the grass airdrop, and also concerning the SoSoValue airdrop. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. I believe you find the video very helpful. If you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you address it. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.